Account Transactions Report. From this report, you can view what are accounting transactions in particular period. You can access this report from Accounts, Reports, Account Transactions. You can select date range. You can select accounts. You can select account category, transaction type you can select. If you don't select any account category or account transaction type, system will display all transactions. If you want, you can filter by analysis codes. You can sort by account name or financial category. From status, you can select active, inactive, or both status. View report. From this report, you can view accounts and all transactions grouped by account name. You can view the account name, opening balance, transactions. In transactions, you can view transaction date, bank, customer or supplier, reference, transaction type, description, debit amount, credit amount, and balance. You can view each account closing balance, movement for the period. In this report, accounts sorted by account name. We can sort by financial category. Select financial category option and refresh. Now, account has sorted by financial category. You can view expenses, current liabilities, owner's equity. Like that, account has grouped by financial category. If you want, you can filter by analysis code. We will select analysis code and refresh. In this report, transactions display only for project 1. This report, transactions display only for project 2. Like that, if you have analysis code, you can filter by analysis codes. You can select by transaction type. We'll select tax invoices and refresh. Now, system will display only tax invoices. We will select by account category. Refresh. Now system will display only expenses category. By clicking these transactions, you can view the original transaction. You can export this report to PDF, Excel, or CSV, you can print or email this report.